Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is B-SELECKT. Reviews, reactions, and commentary to help you maximize your chances of success and minimize the pain of failure in life. So today I'm going to be installing these old boy skateboard wheels on my skateboard. I've recently gotten into skateboarding under the influence of my 11-year-old son, and I like the concept of bowl skating and transition skating. And for that kind of skating, they say that it's better to have a harder durometer wheel that's a little bit larger. Okay, so this is my board right here. It's a 8.8 inch Santa Fe Screaming Hand, and it came, well, I ordered also some independent trucks to go with it. And those trucks came with some 99A durometer, 52 millimeter wheels. So I wanted something a little bit larger and a little bit harder, because that's what the influencers are saying, the experienced skaters are saying that you need for this type of skating that I'm really interested in learning how to do. So today I'm going to be installing these old boy wheels. They're very inexpensive. I didn't want to go out and spend like $40 on some wheels because I'm new to this whole thing, and I just don't want to invest a lot of money into it until I decide exactly the right kind of, until I get all my components balanced perfectly. And then I'll start spending money on, okay, I know that I like this size wheel with this durometer, I'm gonna spend a little bit more money for that, okay? So I decided to go with these old boy wheels that I found on Amazon. I think they were like $20 for the set. I'm gonna install them right now. So these trucks, to remove the wheel, you have to take off the nut. And I don't have a skate tool with me. My son has a skate tool. And it's a 1/2 inch nut. Comes off. By taking that off, don't lose this washer that goes on there. It's a very small little washer. So you have to keep that in mind. There's one on the other side as well. Sometimes it'll come off in your hand. It's stuck to the wheel, see there? So put that right there. And so to get the bearings out, it takes, there's a couple of ways to do it. I have improvised a tool. It's basically a bucket handle that I've improvised and bent this out a little bit, and I found that it's really good for taking out wheel bearings. That came right out, nice and easy. Got this sleeve in there. Some people don't use it, I do. And then that comes out nice and easy as well. Basically a tool that I invented. And so here's the wheel that I'm gonna be putting on there, the old boy. So I'm gonna put this bearing back in there and leave this side on the outside because it was on the outside before. Push it down in there a little bit and leave the dirty side on the outside on that one as well. But first I'm gonna put this sleeve in, and I'm gonna slide this on here. Then I'm gonna push the bearing into the wheel a little bit. Now, there's a couple of ways that people put their wheels on. But the way that I do is based on the way that we install bearings on diesel vehicles when I was a diesel mechanic. And that is, I'll screw the nut all the way down as hard as I can until the wheel doesn't move at all. Just over tighten it, basically. Not to the point that you're gonna damage the bearing,
but what you're doing is you're setting the bearing in on the wheel, okay? So some people do that by pushing down, and they have a tool that they use, and as you can see, this big wheel is barely rolling, okay? Then I tighten it, I loosen it until I have a little play there. I like to have a little bit of play, not that much. And now I know that it's tight. Spin it, it rolls good. And so that's pretty much how it's done. I'm going to repeat this process on all 4 of the wheels. And that's my process for installing wheels on a skateboard. Anyway, take care of yourself, take care of your family. I'm out.